Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about various math functions in Python, so sit back and relax. In Python, we have numeric data types like integer and float. With numeric values, we can do math, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. For demonstration purposes, I have a small code here. X is set to 10, and y is also equal to 10. Z is the sum of both x and y. And finally, we will display z on the console. Since both x and y are integers and part of the numeric data type, we will be able to do math with them. This code will display 20 on the console. Similarly, we can subtract our number values. X is equal to 10 and y is also equal to 10. 10 minus 10 gives us 0 on the console. We can also multiply using the star symbol. This will give us 100. And we can also divide using the / symbol. This should give us 1. There is also this thing called modulo operator. The modulo operator will display the remainder of a division. Since 10 divided by 3 will give us a remainder of 1, we should see 1 on our console. But if there is no remainder after a division, we should see a 0 on our console. Let's talk about functions. There are many math functions in Python that let us do complex mathematical things. One of them is the round function. The round function simply rounds a number to the nearest whole number, so 3.14 rounded is simply 3. Speaking of rounding, the next function is the math.floor function. For this function, we must first import the math module. The math module contains various mathematical functions. The reason why we don't need to import the math module to use the round function is because it's a built-in function in Python, meaning it's there by default. We don't need to import it. However, it's not the case for the math.floor function. The floor function takes a number and rounds it down to the lowest integer. So 3.99 rounded down is simply 3. The next function is the exact opposite, as it takes a number and rounds it to the highest integer. It's the math.ceil function. Of course, we need to import the math module to use this function too for similar reasons. But if we use it on a number like 0.01, we should get 1 on the console. The next is the abs function, short for absolute value. This is a built-in function, so we don't need to import anything. The abs function gives the absolute value of a number, or how far it is away from 0. So the absolute value of -4 should be +4. The next function we have is the pow function, short for power. It takes 2 arguments, 1, our number, and 2, our index or power. So 4 to the second power is 16. The next function we have is the sqrt function, short for square root. This only takes 1 argument. We must import the math module to use it. This square roots any number, so 144 square root is 12. The next we have is the min function. It finds the smallest number in a list. In our small list consisting 1, 2, 3, the smallest number is 1. The final function we will cover for this video is the max function. It is like the min function but finds the biggest number in a list. Both the min and the max functions are built-in functions, so we can use them without importing anything. Review time. Number 1, we can use numeric values like integers and floats to do math, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Number 2, the modulo operator, % is used to find the remainder after division. Number 3, there are many math functions that let us do complex math. The round function rounds a number to the nearest integer. The math.floor function rounds a number down to the lowest integer. The math.ceil function rounds a number up to the highest integer. The abs function finds the absolute value of a number. The pow function rises a number to the nth power. The squirt function finds the squirt for number. The min function finds the smallest number in a list. And the max function finds the biggest number in a list. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel. And thanks for watching.